when we're looking at a company is we look at their existing branding. If the business is not leveraging any of, of their current experts on the team, then we find that this is obviously the best low-hanging fruit for them to leverage and grow. So first, look at their existing branding, identify what they've got going on. So with that said, we find that probably 90+% of businesses out there that we're meeting, that we're engaging with, don't have any type of branding strategy or branding initiatives. So this is a great opportunity for these businesses to get ramped up quickly out of the gate. And think about this for a minute. When a business has strong presence within the community, then when they're introduced to new consumers who are, potentially in the market for what they have, dental, HVAC, architecture, legal, account, whatever it is, who has the greater likelihood of winning the new business?